What is up, Clean Machine fam? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I'm gonna start this one off a little different. You guys can see behind me, I've got this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This one was in for an interior only detail, but I decided to also do a spot-free rinse for the customer as well. So by no means is this an exterior detail, just trying to get some of that road salt off for the customer. So if you guys are interested, this is my tier 3 package where I do seat removal and extraction of everything. So if that's something that interests you, stick around for the entire video. If you make it to the end of the video and you liked everything you saw, well, go ahead and give it a like. Otherwise, if you got any questions, comment down below. And if you like what you saw, like I said, why don't you go ahead and hit that sub button for more videos like that in the future. Thanks for watching.